So when I start my car, I have a little surprise, a check engine light. I will use one of these cheap OBD readers to diagnose my check engine light, for example this Ansel AD310. If you need more suggestions, go to description, there is my full list of cheap OBD readers you can buy. To connect scanner you need to find your OBD port, usually under the dashboard or inside interior fuse box. You don't have to turn it on, all you need is just plug in inside the socket. So let me plug it in. And you can see that scanner is starting automatically. It doesn't have any batteries, it is running from power directly from your vehicle. Don't forget to turn on the ignition, otherwise the scanner won't be able to communicate with your vehicle. If you see dashboard lights, that means ignition is on and we can continue. Now it will find protocol. The protocol is something like language of my car, and there are 5 main protocols that these scanners can read. Now you get this menu, you can read codes, erase codes, check live data, freeze frame, bunch of other stuff. This code reader can, for example, do emission testing, you can diagnose engine issues with engine live data. But right now let's go to reading codes. Stored codes or pending codes. Pending codes are less serious, that is like some fault that your engine control module isn't sure if it's present or not. So let's check stored codes. We got P0500, vehicle speed sensor circuit, and we got no pending codes. Now it's simple because there is only one code, so check engine light is on because of this code. Next step is to go on Google and look up the trouble code. Now P0500, currently I am on my website iamcarreker.com. As you can see, we have possible causes: faulty or damaged vehicle speed sensor, wiring issue, blah blah blah. There is a guide to diagnose this issue. But before I start diagnosing electrical issues, it isn't uncommon to have like these glitches codes or random faults. So when you get some fault, go look it up so you will know what might be wrong. But before you start process of diagnosing the fault, what I recommend doing, just delete the trouble code and see if it comes back or not. I can go to these erase codes. By the way, the OBD code readers have a lot of functions, and if you want to know how to use them properly, all you have to do is sign up to my car diagnostic newsletter. It is completely free, and when you sign up you will get full 30-minute course on how to use these scanners. So link is in description, it is completely free. Go sign up. And now we will erase the codes. Erase trouble codes, are you sure? Yes. Erase done. And now when I start the car, our check engine light is gone. For now I will not diagnose the issue. If the light comes back, and again it is P0500 vehicle speed sensor, now I know the problem is really there, and I will start with diagnosing and fixing.